Dawn Avatar Robot refers to a robot-run cafe experience in Tokyo, Japan, where robots called OriHime and OriHime-D are remotely operated by people with limited mobility or disabilities to serve customers. It's not purely AI autonomous, the robots are Telepresence avatar robots controlled in real time by remote human operators. Dawn Avatar robots enable people with disabilities to work remotely. Pilots control the robot from home using a computer or tablet. They can greet customers, communicate, and provide service. Robots speak using the pilot's voice. Customers can have real-time conversations. Facial movements and gestures create a friendly presence. Dawn Avatar Robot enables people who can't physically leave home to work, socialize, and earn income. Pilots often share personal stories and engage in conversations, not just automated responses. Barrier-free design for visitors and remote operators alike. Visitors frequently describe it as a memorable and meaningful stop in Tokyo.